Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to enable 120 Hz on Element Xumo TV, HDMI settings and game mode. You cannot enable a native 120 Hz refresh rate on an Element Xumo TV because the hardware panel is physically limited to 60 Hz. The 120 Hz specification advertised by Element Electronics for its Xumo line is an effective refresh rate. This is a marketing term for motion smoothing software like backlight blinking or frame interpolation, rather than a true 120 Hz panel. Consequently, external devices like a PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC will recognize the TV as a 60 Hz display and will not unlock a 120 Hz output mode. Optimized for movies and sports. Open the settings menu via the home screen or remote gear icon. Now go to Picture, then go to Advanced Settings. Look for features labeled Motion Smoothing, MEMC, or Action Lightning. Toggle these settings to low or medium to reduce blur without introducing a heavy soap opera effect. Category 1. Turn on game mode on your TV. Turn on your console or PC and switch the TV to the specific HDMI input. Now press the settings gear icon button on your Zoomer remote and navigate to Picture and Sound, or Picture depending on your firmware. Now scroll to Picture Settings and move over to Game. Press OK to activate it. A check mark or toggle will illuminate. Category 2. Configure your console PC overrides. For Xbox Series X, go to Settings, then go to General, then go to TV and Display Options. From there, select Video Fidelity and Overscan. Under the Display column, change the drop-down from Auto Detect to HDMI. Your screen will temporarily revert to a lower resolution. Go back to TV and display options and manually change the resolution to 1080p. Try changing the refresh rate drop down to 120 Hz. Note, if the screen remains blank, the internal panel scaler cannot accept the signal and you must default back to 1080p/60 Hz or 4K/60 Hz. Category 3. Optimize for movies and sports. Open the settings menu via the home screen or remote gear icon. From there, go to Picture, then go to Advanced Settings. Look for features labeled Motion Smoothing, MEMC, or Action Lightning. Toggle these settings to low or medium to reduce blur without introducing a heavy soap opera effect. Setup checklist. Use the right cable. Ensure you are using the ultra high speed HDMI cable that originally shipped with your console. Remove intermediaries. Bypass soundbars, capture cards, or HDMI switches by plugging the console directly into the TV's HDMI port. Enable in-game settings for supported titles like Fortnite or Call of Duty. Remember to navigate to the individual game's graphics settings menu and toggle 120 frame per second mode to on. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.